Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use KMZ file in Google Maps. Open Google Maps and sign in, then go to your places and choose Maps to start importing a KMZ file. Click Import, select your KMZ, and wait for it to load. Once loaded, adjust visibility, layer order, and styles to suit your needs. I'll guide you through common troubleshooting and quick tips to make your KMZ maps clear and useful. Prepare your KMZ by checking the KML content and ensuring icons or images are embedded properly. If the file is large, compress images or simplify geometry to speed up loading. Rename layers and placemarks to readable names so collaborators understand the map quickly. Save a backup copy before making edits so you can revert if something goes wrong. These small steps prevent common import errors and save time later. Import the KMZ directly from the Maps editor and wait for each layer to appear. Click any placemark to edit its name, description, or icon so the map is more informative. Use layer toggles to focus on specific data and reorder layers for correct display. When ready, share the map link or invite collaborators with proper permissions so others can view or edit. I'll also show how to export changes if you need an updated KMZ.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.